How to add Streamloots to Streamlabs. Adding Streamloots to Streamlabs makes your time more interactive and fun for viewers, and since we want to entertain our viewers as much as possible, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done. First things first, I want you to go ahead and click the layout editor here. If you don't see this one, you can just go ahead and click this and then you'll see the layout editor. Now go ahead and click this one and you should see something like this. Now we're going to go ahead and create our new layout, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this one for example. This is what I want, so I'm going to go ahead and choose this. Now for the scenes here, we're going to go ahead and make some few changes. For example, I'm going to go ahead and put the audio mixer here, the source selector here, and then the scene selector here. So I want this side here to be a website. So now that we have our website there, we're going to go ahead and paste our Streamloots. So first things first, you're going to go ahead and decide what kind of things you want to put in there. So in my case, I'm going to go ahead and choose my collections or manage collections. I'm going to go ahead and paste it here and then click save changes. So you should see it appear right here. There you go. So apart from your collections here, you can also go ahead and click this one. Alright, you have here your packs, the rankings, and then the powers. So yep, that's the beauty of this one. You can click this one even and see others. So yep, congratulations everybody. That is how you are going to add Streamloots to Streamlabs. Anyway, if you're interested in kicking off your streaming career with Streamlabs, click the link in the description box in order to save yourself up to $20 of discount. And as always, please check our channel for detailed Streamlabs tutorial. We have various levels of tutorials from the most basic ones such as how to set it up, all the way to things like using Streamlabs to stream to TikTok, fixing black screen, and so many others. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if it helps you out.